Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about being hosed again. We were waiting for some blue hoses. There's a national shortage right now of blue hose material, so we had to order a full set for a Tiger and Brown. So stay tuned while we tell you what's going on with the blue shortage. I think you'll be amused by all of it. Stay tuned. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And we are recording and go.
Hi, Mom. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about lifetime hoses. We all know about the brown and we know about the blue. Now, right now, you can't get a blue. And it's a funny story about how things work in America. Blue hoses were popular. They're more expensive than the brown, but people prefer the blue. They think it looks better. People sometimes use the brown for oil and the blue for fuel as a way for a student pilot to know what hose does what. But the blue hoses, people wanted them, so a new supplier started making the blue hose. And he marketed it a couple of pennies cheaper than anybody else's. And guess what happened? Everybody started ordering from him. And then everybody found out he didn't have the proper burn certificates for the material. So everybody's on hold right now why he gets his proper burn certificates. So in a couple of months we'll be able to get blue. But right now, brown's your choice. So we do have some blue and some brown, but there you go. That's why you can't find them. So we hope you found all this,
Put them next to each other.
So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. Apologize for the lighting because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.